Tesla is set to revolutionize the automotive industry, as highly anticipated Cybertruck might just be hitting the streets sooner than we thought. Elon Musk has dropped some hints, suggesting that the Cybertruck could be making its grand entrance this quarter. The news of the Cybertruck's coming arrival has ignited excitement among investors, causing Tesla's stock to soar to new heights. But that's not all. We have managed to sneak peek inside Tesla's 18-wheeler Semi that boasts an astonishing range of 500 miles on a single charge. What clues reveal the Cybertruck's arrival, and what awaits inside Tesla's 18-wheeler Semi? Dive in this video to unravel the answers. Tesla's highly anticipated Cybertruck is set to have a delivery event in the third quarter, as confirmed by CEO Elon Musk earlier this year. With the arrival of the third quarter, Tesla enthusiasts are eagerly awaiting the entire reveal of the Cybertruck, which has faced multiple delays in the past. In April, during the first quarter earnings call, Musk stated that Tesla would finally start delivering production of Cybertrucks later this year. This was later emphasized in May, further raising anticipation among fans. Local reports have also surfaced, suggesting that Cybertruck production lines are gearing up for production as early as this month. Furthermore, sightings of camouflage Cybertrucks in various locations and a recent appearance in Los Angeles with chief designer Franz von Holzhausen behind the wheel have sparked excitement and speculation. Tesla's recent achievements add to the anticipation surrounding the Cybertruck. The company recently reported record deliveries of 466,000 vehicles in the April to June period, demonstrating its ability to meet increasing demand and scale up production. However, it's worth noting that Musk's promises regarding the Cybertruck's production timeline have encountered delays in the past. Initially slated for late 2021, the production start date was subsequently pushed back to 2022 and then to 2023. Despite these setbacks, Musk's recent focus on manufacturing challenges and production targets indicates a more grounded approach, as Tesla gets closer to actual production. During various events this year, Musk has emphasized the difficulty of manufacturing the Cybertruck due to its radically new design. He has acknowledged the need for innovative manufacturing techniques and cost efficiencies. Musk outlined a production S-curve, starting slow and then ramping up, with estimated annual production ranging from 250,000 to 500,000 vehicles depending on demand. But affordability remains a challenge. Musk originally stated in 2019 that the Cybertruck would start at $39,000. However, as the production approaches, the feasibility of this price point in the initial years seems increasingly unlikely. Despite the obstacles, Musk remains optimistic about the progress made so far. He mentioned the development of new manufacturing techniques to build the Cybertruck's exoskeleton-based design, emphasizing the non-trivial nature of the task. Up next, Tesla share rises as company achieves record deliveries and reveals Cybertruck production. Tesla experienced a surge in its stock price, jumping 6.9% after the company announced record vehicle deliveries for the second quarter. This remarkable achievement rose Tesla's shares to new heights, as major banks also witnessed gains following positive developments in the Federal Reserve's annual health check. The S&P 500 Banks Index climbed by 1.5%, while Wells Fargo and Citigroup saw their shares rise by 1.7% and 1.5% respectively. As the stock market closed early at 1 p.m. due to the upcoming July 4th Independence Day holiday, trading volumes remained lighter than average. However, this did not dampen the enthusiasm surrounding Tesla's recent performance, particularly throughout the month of June. According to data from S&P Global Market Intelligence, Tesla's shares soared by an impressive 28.3%, surpassing the 6.5% gains of the S&P 500 index. This further contributed to the company's astonishing rally, with its stock price surging over 127% since the beginning of 2023. Undoubtedly, the recovery in technology stocks played a part in Tesla's remarkable rise. However, the EV maker enjoyed additional momentum and numerous catalysts that boosted its stock price throughout the past month. One of the most significant drivers behind Tesla's stellar stock performance in June was the widespread adoption of its North American charging standard charging port by various car manufacturers. Ford's decision in late May set the tone, followed by announcements from General Motors, Rivian, Volvo, and Polestar Automotive. There are even reports suggesting that Hyundai and Volkswagen are contemplating a similar move, showcasing the industry's increasing recognition of Tesla's charging infrastructure. Furthermore, other recent developments served as tailwinds for Tesla's shares. In early June, the company announced that all its Model Y and Model 3 vehicles now qualify for the full $7,500 federal tax credit under the revised guidelines for EVs. This, coupled with state and local incentives, has significantly narrowed the price gap between Tesla's electric cars and their internal combustion engine counterparts. Notably, Tesla's Model Y achieved a remarkable milestone, becoming the best-selling vehicle globally during the first quarter, surpassing popular contenders like the Toyota RAV4 and Corolla. This marked the first time an EV had accomplished such a feat, solidifying Tesla's dominance in the industry. To the delight of Tesla shareholders, the company recently revealed its production and delivery numbers for the second quarter, exceeding investors' expectations. Tesla produced an impressive 479,700 vehicles during the quarter and delivered a record-breaking 466,140 units. While the complete financial picture will only be unveiled when Tesla reports its second quarter results on July 19th, investors eagerly await insights into the impact of the discounts offered by Tesla to bolster sales. Elon Musk downplayed concerns of a price war and emphasized the company's focus on enabling affordability at scale through price reductions. While Tesla's valuation may give some investors pause, with the stock trading at 52 times forward earnings and 6 times next year's sales, the company's remarkable success in revolutionizing the EV market justifies its lofty valuation. Elon Musk's long-term vision and Tesla's ongoing achievements provide compelling evidence of the company's potential. Up next, have a sneak peek inside Tesla's big rig that is the 18-wheeler Semi that goes 500 miles on a single charge. Tesla ventured beyond the domain of passenger cars with the introduction of its revolutionary 18-wheeler semi-truck in 2017. After years of production delays, Tesla finally made its first delivery of the Semi to Pepsi, marking a significant milestone in the company's ambitions to revolutionize the transportation industry. Officially known as the Tesla Semi, this electrified behemoth is set to offer truckers a remarkable driving experience. Elon Musk, the visionary CEO of Tesla, proclaimed, "If you're a trucker and you want the most badass rig on the road, this is it," emphasizing the truck's exceptional capabilities and features. The Tesla Semi comes in 2 versions, both capable of carrying a maximum load of 87,000 pounds. The first version offers a range of 300 miles, while the second boasts an impressive range of 500 miles, making it suitable for long-haul journeys. Although a number of Tesla Semis have already hit the roads, their pricing remains disclosed, leaving trucking enthusiasts eager to learn more. Stepping inside the Tesla Semi reveals a sleek and futuristic interior design. The driver's seat is centrally positioned, accompanied by 2 15-inch screens on either side of the steering wheel. These screens not only provide essential information about speed and battery level, but also offer a nearly 360-degree view through the aid of 4 cameras strategically placed to eliminate blind spots. Notably, the Tesla Semi does not include a sleeper cab, as it is specifically designed for day trips rather than long-haul overnight journeys. Additionally, Tesla claims that the Semi can be charged up to 70% in just 30 minutes, which is a significant advantage for companies seeking to reduce their carbon footprint and increase operational efficiency. Several prominent companies, including Anheuser-Busch, Walmart, and UPS, have already placed orders for the Tesla Semi, recognizing the potential of electric trucks in transforming their logistics operations. Interestingly, sightings of Tesla Semis bearing the Frito-Lay logo have been reported, although there have been reports of breakdowns among these vehicles. In March, Tesla issued a recall for 35 of its semis due to concerns over a potential parking brake failure that could result in unintended truck movement. Despite this setback, Elon Musk disclosed during 2018 Tesla earnings call that around 2,000 Tesla Semis had been reserved. However, the actual number of orders remains unclear, as Tesla has not actively pursued sales efforts for the Semi, with orders primarily driven by interested companies approaching the company opportunistically. Despite the uncertainties surrounding the number of orders, Tesla remains optimistic about the future of the Semi. Musk stated in a 2022 earnings call that the company aims to have 50,000 Tesla Semis on North American roads by 2024, indicating the company's commitment to expanding its presence in the commercial trucking industry. Up next, New Zealand witnesses Tesla Model 3 Project Highland unit conducting winter testing. It appears that Tesla has brought over a Model 3 Project Highland unit at the Southern Hemisphere Proving Grounds in New Zealand. A photo of the apparent vehicle has been shared online. Among the vehicles spotted during this intriguing event was what appears to be a Model 3 Project Highland unit, offering a preview of the upcoming updates to Tesla's popular sedan. The SHPG serves as a sprawling facility where Tesla conducts its winter tests during the summer months in the United States. Last December, Tesla released a winter testing video shot at this very location, showcasing their vehicle's capabilities. Now, thanks to images shared by a keen-eyed Tesla enthusiast on Twitter, Identified as Cybertruck NZ, we have a glimpse of the impressive lineup of vehicles that have gathered for these winter tests, including the highly anticipated Tesla Cybertruck and a mysterious Model 3 variant. The sighting of a partially covered Model 3 unit, believed to be the Project Highland iteration, has sparked curiosity and excitement among Tesla enthusiasts. The rear of the vehicle was shrouded in a black cover, preventing full visibility, but hints of the redesigned taillights suggest a resemblance to a previous Project Highland Model 3 spotted in the United States. This sighting aligns with reports indicating that the Project Highland update will introduce significant changes to the Model 3 sedan, both in terms of design and production improvements. Insights from earlier sightings in the United States suggest potential features that will likely be incorporated into the Project Highland update. Among them is an infotainment system-based gear selector, similar to the Model S sedan and Model X SUV, as well as a redesigned front bumper without apparent slots for fog lamps. Speculation suggests that the updated model the 3rd of May integrate the fog lamps into the headlights, enhancing its overall aesthetic appeal. Notably, this winter testing event in New Zealand marks the occasion where the Project Highland Model 3 has been publicly spotted. The presence of 2 camouflaged prototypes further intensifies the anticipation surrounding this update. Additionally, keen observers will notice that the picture shared by Cybertruck NZ reveals not only the Model 3 prototypes, but also a hidden gem, which is the highly awaited Cybertruck, deliberately tucked away behind a shed, heightening the excitement for its imminent release. Tesla enthusiasts can expect the refreshed Model 3 to enter volume production in the coming months, with an official launch anticipated before the year's end. Project Highland is rumored to be Tesla's most extensive model overhaul, encompassing significant design changes, manufacturing improvements, and an array of new features. Meanwhile, the commercial debut of the Cybertruck is also on the horizon, with a delivery event slated for September. Up next, Tesla has a new rival with an unusual electric vehicle. San Mateo-based Aleph Aeronautics has emerged as the latest player in the electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicle market, with plans to sell flying cars before Tesla. Aleph's ambitious Model A vehicle comes with a hefty price tag of $300,000 and aims to revolutionize personal transportation with its innovative design and capabilities. Revealing a prototype in October 2022, Aleph showcased the Model A's impressive specifications. The all-electric vehicle boasts a 200-mile driving range and a remarkable 110-mile flying range. Equipped with vertical takeoff and landing capabilities, the car is designed for road usage and aerial travel, accommodating 1 or 2 occupants. Building on the anticipation surrounding their cutting-edge creation, Aleph started accepting orders on their website in the same month. Prospective buyers could reserve their Model A by paying a $150 deposit or opt for priority by paying $1,500, ensuring earlier delivery. By the end of 2022, Aleph had received 440 reservations, reflecting the growing interest in this groundbreaking mode of transportation. However, the exact delivery date for the Model A has yet to be disclosed. CEO Jim Duchovny revealed Aleph's future aspirations, mentioning plans for the development of a Model Z by 2030. The envisioned Model Z would offer even greater driving and flying ranges with a price tag of $35,000. Duchovny stated that a drone license would suffice for operating the Model Z, making it more accessible to a wider audience. A major milestone for Aleph arrived on June 27th when the Federal Aviation Administration granted the company a special airworthiness certification. This certification marked the first legal approval to fly an eVTOL vehicle granted by the US government. With this significant recognition, Aleph solidified its position as a leader in the emerging eVTOL market. However, the FAA certification imposes limitations on the specific locations and purposes for which Aleph's vehicles are permitted to fly. Expressing excitement about this achievement, CEO Jim Duchovny conveyed his vision for a future of eco-friendly and efficient commuting. He stated, "It allows us to move closer to bringing people an environmentally friendly and faster commute, saving individuals and companies hours each week. This is a one small step for planes, one giant step for cars." While Tesla's flying car ambitions remain uncertain, the eVTOL market continues to witness the emergence of rivals determined to make their mark. Aleph Aeronautics, with its Model A vehicle and recent FAA certification, represents a significant player in this rapidly evolving industry. Up next, amidst Tesla's breakout Q2 numbers, fellow EV players see momentum. In the wake of Tesla's impressive Q2 2023 vehicle delivery and production results, the electric vehicle sector is experiencing a surge in momentum. While Tesla's shares soared on Monday, other EV manufacturers such as NIO, Li Auto, Rivian, and Lucid are also showing signs of strength. During the second quarter, Tesla achieved remarkable figures, producing 479,700 cars and delivering 466,140 vehicles between April and June. Although these numbers are record-setting, the growth rates in deliveries are not as dramatic as before. In fact, the Q2 figures represented an increase of only 38,900 on the production side and 43,265 on the delivery side. Industry experts suggest that Tesla's Q2 results indicate the company's strong push to achieve its goal of 2 million vehicle deliveries by the end of the calendar year, initially targeting 1.8 million cars. Tesla CEO Elon Musk has hinted at a more ambitious aim, expressing the company's intention to deliver 2 million vehicles by year-end. The positive sentiment surrounding Tesla's stock following the Q2 delivery beat is also benefiting other EV manufacturers. NIO, a premium EV maker in China, witnessed a 4% rise in its stock, while Li Auto, another Chinese electric car maker, experienced an 8.4% increase. Yexpeng, yet another Chinese EV manufacturer, saw its stock rise by 4.92%. Western electric vehicle makers are also starting the week on a strong note. Rivian, which recently announced its adoption of Tesla's North American charging standard, enjoyed a 14% surge in its stock. Lucid, an EV maker that has chosen to hold out on NACS adoption, saw a 5.8% rise in its stock. Even Nikola, a company that has faced challenges in the past, observed a 5.43% increase in its stock. These robust Q2 results from Tesla and the overall positive performance of the EV sector indicate that the industry is gaining significant traction. Tesla's ability to consistently produce large volumes of cars each quarter, combined with the success of newer players like Rivian, underscores a promising future for the EV market. As the transition to electric vehicles continues, it is clear that Tesla's influence extends beyond its own achievements. The company's strong performance serves as a catalyst for the entire industry, inspiring growth and innovation among its peers. Up next, Ford retires iconic model to make way for its new Tesla killer. Ford has been diligently converting its lineup of vehicles from internal combustion engine models to electric vehicles. As the automotive industry undergoes a significant transformation, Ford is determined to position itself as a formidable player in the EV market. While the company's F-Series internal combustion engine pickup truck has been the best-selling vehicle in America for 41 years and the best-selling truck for 46 consecutive years, Ford recognizes the need to adapt to the growing demand for electric vehicles. Ford's foray into the electric pickup truck market began with the introduction of the F-150 Lightning EV. However, despite its popularity, the F-150 Lightning EV did not secure the top spot as America's best-selling electric pickup truck in 2022. That distinction went to Rivian, which managed to outsell Ford's offering. General Motors is also set to enter the market with its Chevy Silverado EV, offering models with impressive ranges of 450 miles and 350 miles. Additionally, Stellantis is gearing up to introduce its all-electric 2025 Ram 1500 REV, the company's first battery-electric light-duty pickup truck, in the fourth quarter of 2024. Amidst this competitive landscape, Tesla, led by CEO Elon Musk, is poised to make its mark in the electric truck segment. Musk has stated that the highly anticipated Cybertruck will be delivered to consumers by the end of the third quarter, most likely in late September. Ford, previously the second bestseller of EVs in the US with its F-150, Mustang Mach-E, and E-Transit electric van, was surpassed by GM in the first quarter of 2023. However, Ford has no intention of remaining in third place for long. The company is gearing up to commence production of its new all-electric Explorer SUV in Europe, following the conversion of its Cologne, Germany auto plant into the Cologne Electric Vehicle Center. Ford's CEO, Jim Farley, has hinted at the possibility of selling the all-electric Explorer SUV in the US, as the company seeks to capitalize on the growing demand for electric vehicles. The Cologne EV plant, which opened its doors on June 12, represents Ford's first carbon-neutral factory. After an investment of $2 billion, the facility will start producing the Ford Explorer SUV later this year. The Explorer will mark Ford's first volume all-electric passenger car manufactured in Europe, serving as one of the 9 all-electric vehicles the company plans to introduce on the continent by 2024. With a starting price of around $49,150, the Explorer aims to cater to a broad range of consumers. Looking ahead, Ford has ambitious plans for expanding its electric vehicle lineup. The company intends to begin production of a sports crossover EV at the Cologne plant in mid-2024. Additionally, Ford will manufacture the Puma EV, e-Transit Courier, and e-Tourneo Courier small electric vans in Romania, starting in 2024. This concerted effort to ramp up EV production aligns with Ford's goal of selling 600,000 EVs annually in Europe by 2026 through its Model E division. As Ford accelerates its transition to electric vehicles, it will bid farewell to several ICE vehicles in Europe and the US in the coming years. Among these is the iconic Ford Fiesta, which made its debut in Europe in 1976 and the US in 1978. Although it was discontinued in the US in 1980, the Fiesta made a comeback in 2011 before being discontinued again in 2017 due to a significant drop in sales. However, the Ford Fiesta continued to enjoy success in the European market since its initial introduction in 1976. Even so, with the conversion of the Cologne plant into an all-electric production facility, the time has come for the final ICE Ford Fiesta to roll off the assembly line on July 7th, marking the end of an era for this beloved model. The Cologne EV plant, being Ford's first carbon-neutral factory, represents a significant milestone in the company's commitment to sustainability. This state-of-the-art facility will not only produce the Ford Explorer SUV, but also serve as the birthplace for a host of other all-electric vehicles. Ford's ambitious plan includes the introduction of a sports crossover EV at the Cologne plant in mid-2024, further expanding the company's EV offerings. In addition to the Cologne plant, Ford has plans for EV production in Romania. Starting in 2024, the company will manufacture the Puma EV, e-Transit Courier, and e-Tourneo Courier small electric vans. This strategic move aims to cater to diverse consumer needs and bolster Ford's presence in the electric vehicle market. With these aggressive efforts, Ford is positioning itself to become a major player in the European EV market. By introducing 9 all-electric vehicles on the continent by 2024, the company is signaling its commitment to a sustainable future. The Ford Explorer SUV, with its anticipated starting price of approximately $49,150, exemplifies Ford's dedication to delivering electric vehicles that are not only environmentally friendly, but also accessible to a wide range of consumers. As Ford bids farewell to the iconic Ford Fiesta and other ICE models, the company embraces the transformative power of electric vehicles. The transition signifies a paradigm shift within the automotive industry, with Ford at the forefront of this electrifying revolution. By investing billions of dollars in EV production and establishing carbon-neutral manufacturing facilities, Ford is poised to shape the future of transportation. That was all the EV and Tesla news for today. What do you think about Cybertruck release and Tesla's stock price increase? Share your views in the comment section below. And if you want to see more interesting videos, don't forget to subscribe with all notifications enabled so you don't miss out on the latest news on Tesla.